Hey, thanks for joining. My name's Johnny Walker. I have been in this industry for 20 years, and I'm a second generation guy. And so what I've noticed in this industry is that the first appraisal, that the first offer that you get from your insurance company is actually just that. It's the first offer, and there's usually room to wiggle. There's usually room to negotiate. And what I'm finding is that if you ask them to change, or you send them some comparable vehicles, and you say, hey, I can't replace my car for that much, they're stuck. These appraisers and these adjusters are actually stuck, and they have to use what their bosses tell them to use. So for example, they have to use a CCC1 report or a Mitchell report or a valuation, any electronic valuation report. They have to use that. And sometimes you have a specialty vehicle that's not going to give you exactly that in their electrical system or electronic system. And so you reach a point where you say, hey, I can't replace my car for that much. And I've reviewed thousands of these appraisals. There's always a little something off. It's not that it's bad. It's not that these adjusters are want you to have a lower value. It's just that they have to use this valuation, and they have to stick to these parameters. And so an appraisal clause is a policy provision in your auto policy in which you can challenge that, and you can go out of bounds or outside of their guardrails and dispute the value. And so you have to hire what's called an appraiser, and you can say, I want to invoke the appraisal clause. And in my experience, in my history, I've done thousands of these. I've been named in thousands of these appraisal clause disputes, and in many situations the vehicle is undervalued by anywhere from 20 to 30%, sometimes even more. And so I'm really, really confident in my experience and my results, so much so that I offer a warranty that's called the win-win warranty. If you do not get at least double what my fee is in return and an increase, I offer you a prorated refund. And so there's no risk to you to go forward with the appraisal clause. It's just an uphill. It's exactly that. It's called a win-win. It's exactly that. It's a win-win. You're going to get more for your vehicle, and you're not going to risk the money. It's not a gamble. It is a guarantee. And so I'm really looking forward to working with you. Book a call down here, down low, all the buttons everywhere. Let's see what I can do for you. If I can't help you, I will tell you. I'll get you in the right spot. But I've helped a lot of people. When in doubt, I always tell people, invoke the appraisal clause. You won't regret it.